Martinez farm, where fresh eggs are our charm. The tastiest you'll ever see, raised with love and dignity. We grow shambles big and tall. Indios gigantes stand so proud. Micro kikiriki, sweet and small. Every breed will make you wild. Chicks and rabbits running free, roosters crowing loud and bright. All raised naturally by our family day and night. Martinez farm paradise, where the sun and love arise. Fernando Paula stands so strong, with Achilles Leonidas along. Whatever bird you need, we've got. Healthy, happy, every spot. Working hard with all our might to bring you eggs so fresh and bright. Chicks and rabbits running free, roosters crowing loud and bright. All raised naturally by our family day and night. Martinez farm paradise, where the sun and love arise. Fernando Paula stands so strong, with Achilles Leonidas along.
¿Este el agua de ahí también, Aquiles?
Started with a suitcase and a dream in our eyes. Just me and Peachy Cloud chasing under these skies. Thinking been through the wind and the heavy rain. We built a legacy out of the struggle and the pain. A long journey walking side by side on this road, carrying the weight of sharing every single load. Then the calendar turned and the world felt brand new. March 15 to 23 brought a light shining through. Our first blessing landed. It's so
He's only some of the chickens we have. We still haven't fully moved to a new house yet. That's why we don't got irrigation, nothing yet. We're waiting for our house next to us to be built. And then we'll have all our chickens in one place, all our egg hens, some wood, our blue slash coaching, dragon fruit,
life on the farm will never be
the same.
Yeah, we're building our paradise, a home full of
playground.
soul.
We got a sliding track
Making our broken pieces finally feel
passion fruit.
whole. Time kept moving like a river deep and wild with the spirit of a lion.